SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, which is a file format that allows you to display vector images on your website. This means that you can scale an SVG image up and down as needed without losing any quality, making it a great choice for responsive web design. In PowerPoint, however, you cannot insert an SVG file or icon directly on your presentation. Luckily, there's a workaround that you can try inserting an SVG file in your presentation, and we will show you that in this video tutorial. Since PowerPoint currently does not support SVG files, what you will do is convert it into an EMF file. An EMF, which stands for Enhanced Meta File, is a format that stores vector graphics, and they are developed originally by Microsoft. Now you have to fire up your browser and then type in the search bar SVG to EMF converter and then hit enter. This will show you a variety of websites that you can choose from, but in our case, we would choose this website. In the Convert options, choose SVG to EMF file. Then click on Select File and choose the file or files you want to convert. Then select Download. With your converted file, open Microsoft PowerPoint and add in your icons by clicking on the Insert tab, select Pictures, and upload the file from your desktop. With that, you have now inserted SVG files into your presentation in PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.